Want to create paints that stand out in the market and cater to specific customers' needs, whether it is for homes, offices, industrial, or decorative projects. Custom formulation are the key. Today, I'll teach you how to create custom paint formulation that target different markets and needs. Let's get started. Hi, welcome back to Vlogmas the 12th. In today's video, we'll dive into the art and science of creating custom paint formulation that meets the unique demands of various markets. Whether it is durable paint for homes, industrial coating, or specialized finish, you will learn how to tailor your product for success. So let's start. 1. Every market has unique needs, and understanding those needs is the foundation of customer paint. So formulations are quickly, and I'm going to break them down for you. 1. Residential market, 2. Commercial market, 3. Industrial market, 4. Specialized market. So I'll explain them for you briefly. So for the residential market, we have the vibrant, washable, and eco-friendly paint. You have to know that this paint goes for the residential market. And for the commercial market, we have the durable, cost-effective, and easy to maintain coating paint. Then the industrial market, we have the heat resistant, anti-corrosion, and chemical resistant paint. And for the specialized paint, we have the unique finishes like the metallic, texture, or glow in the dark effect paint. So now, what are the components of the custom paint? So number one, binders. So for water-based paint, you have to use your acrylic or synthetic acrylic emulsion for durability. Two, for the oil-based paint, you have to use your acrid resin for adhesion and gloss. Then we have the pigment as well. You have to use your titanium dioxide for opacity and brightness. Then for vibrant colors, opt for organic pigment like the blue. For durability, choose inorganic pigment like your iron oxide. Then we'll move over to additives. So your additive, 1. UV stabilizers protect outdoor paint from fading. And then we have the antimicrobial agent, prevent mold and mildew in healed environment. And then we have your water repellent. This that's you have to add your silicone based additive for exterior paint. So solvent and thinners, use water for eco-friendly paint or mineral spirit for your oil based formulation. And then we have the fillers and extenders. You add your calcium carbonate for cost effective and improve opacity. So our number 3 is steps to create your custom formulation. So now the first step is you have to define the purpose. So what is the purpose? Start by identifying the specific application and environment for the paint. For example, is it for outdoor walls, industrial machinery, or decorative um, interior paint? And then now move over to step 2. That's to say you have to select your core complement, which are your chemicals. So choose the appropriate binder, pigment, and additive to meet the paint requirement. For example, use pure acrylic binder for UV resistant and exterior paint. Then now our number 3 is your formula for specific um production. So now adjust the preparation of your component to achieve your desired characteristics like gloss, texture, or drying time. So you have to adjust this your chemicals to have all this glossiness and texture and your drying time. And then now we have the test and refine. So the test, you have to test the paint on a simple surfaces to evaluate coverage, adhesion, and durability. You fine tune the formulation based on the results. So if you don't get the result properly, you have to make correction immediately. So tailoring out your paint for specific needs is very, very important. And of course, we have the high durability paint. 1. Use premier binders and add hardening agent for abrasion and resistance. 2. Quick drying paint. Add colorant agent for water-based paint or drying to accelerate for oil-based paint. Then for your eco-friendly paint, you have to make sure you use your low VOC binders and avoid toxic pigment or preservative. And then for the decorative paint, add your metallic pigment for luxury finishes or texture fillers for unique desires. And of course, we have testing customers' formulation. Every customer formulation needs thoroughly testing. One, viscosity testing, ensure the paint is easy to apply. Two, color matching, use a colorimeter to ensure your consistencies, or you can do that whereby applying the paint on the wall to have the total result. Of course, we have durability test. Perform scrubbing and weathering tests to assess longevity. You guys are all familiar with this, but I also have to chip it in to remember you. And then we have the adhesion testing. Ensure the paint adheres well to the intended surfaces. And now packaging and marketing. Once your formulation is ready, focus on branding and packaging. Highlight the features like durability, eco-friendliness, or specialized finishes, and offer varieties in different finishes, e.g. matte, gloss, to appeal to a broad audience. Educate customers with the detailed instruction and benefit on your label. Very, very important. So if you're excited to start creating custom paint formulation, hit the like button and comment paint production 31 lucky winners. So now tomorrow we'll be exploring how to understand better paint process, and of course make sure you subscribe to know when each of our video goes live so you don't miss out on this vlog mass. So let's keep building your paint business, this Vlogmas, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.